Our free Spirit Loyalty Program is the fastest way to earn rewards and status. It also makes it easier for everyone to earn rewards regardless of how frequently you travel. The boarding door is now closed. Please take a break from your electronic devices and watch the flight attendants demonstrate the safety features on our Airbus A321 aircraft. There are safety information cards. They're located in the seat back pocket in front of you that illustrate the safety equipment on this aircraft. I encourage you to grab one and follow along. Federal regulations require your compliance with this information as well as with all crew member instructions, lighted information signs, and posted placards. Your seatbelt should be worn low and tight across your hips. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the metal tab into the buckle until it clicks. To open your seatbelt, lift the flat portion of the buckle. For your safety and the safety of those around you, please keep your seatbelt fastened at all times while you're seated. There are emergency exits located in the front, mid-cabin, and back of the aircraft. All exits are clearly marked with directions for opening, exit signs, and are equipped with evacuation slides. Overhead signs and on-path lighting lead to all exits. Please take a moment and locate the exit nearest to you, keeping in mind the nearest exit may be located behind you. The cabin is pressurized. If there's a loss of cabin pressure, masks will drop from the compartment above your seat and lavatory ceilings. Remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. Pull the mask toward you to start the flow of oxygen. You must remove your face covering prior to placing the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Place the elastic band around your head and tighten by pulling on the ends. Secure your own mask before helping others. Oxygen will be flowing to the mask even though the bag may not appear to inflate. In the unlikely event of a water landing, a life vest is located either under or between your seats. First, pull the tab to retrieve the life vest pouch from its container. Then tear along the perforated edge and remove the life vest from the pouch. Lean forward, place the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, fasten the buckle, and pull on the loose end of the strap to tighten. A water-activated light is attached to each vest. When exiting the aircraft, pull down on the red tab at the bottom of the vest to inflate. The vest can also be inflated by blowing into the tube at shoulder level. Remember, do not inflate your vest until you exit the aircraft. The slides at the front and back door exits can be detached and used as rafts. There's also an additional life raft located in an overhead compartment near the mid-cabin door exits. In the event of an emergency, follow flight attendants' commands and leave everything. Federal aviation regulations require your compliance with lighted information signs, posted placards, and crew member instructions, including the no smoking and fasten seatbelt signs. All Spirit airline flights are non-smoking. Smoking, including the use of e-cigarettes or vaping devices, is not permitted in the cabin or lavatory at any time. Federal law prohibits.
Flight attendants prepare for takeoff.